It's time to add our Dashatar to the app. To do that, we need to create a folder where we can store the image. Click on our root folder, go to New, and choose Directory. I'm gonna name it Images. Now let's put our Dashatar image inside our folder. First, we need to copy the image. Then we can go back to Flutter, right-click on the Images folder, paste our Dashatar, and of course click on OK. Now you can see that the image has been copied. Let's talk about the pubspec YAML file. This file may look confusing because of all the green tags, but hey, chill out, they are all commented so they don't run. You just need to ignore them. This file is exactly where we add our dependencies, packages, and assets. In our case, we want to add the image, which is an asset to our app.
As you can see in the comments, they have already shown you how you can add the assets. So over here, put 2 spaces, then write assets and hit enter. Make sure the indentations are placed correctly since they are really important. I remember once I was developing an app and an asset wasn't loading up. I literally spent hours on it, and then all of a sudden I realized that I forgot to put a space, and that's why it wasn't working.
Now you can give the name of the images folder followed by a slash. This line means that whatever assets are there in the image folder, the app should be able to use them. Now click on the command pub-get, which is going to update all the changes. Let's go to the main.dart file. We have already updated the dependencies, so we don't need to do it again. There is a property called a body in the scaffold. Here we are going to put the image widget. To add the image, we can write images dot. As you can see, Flutter has already suggested to us a lot of options like these that can take the images from the internet and so on. We are gonna go with the assets now. Here we need to give the destination of the file. As you probably noticed, we have a pretty long name, so I'm gonna change it by right-clicking on the image and going to Refactor and clicking on the Rename option. I'm gonna name it Dash and click on the Refactor button. We can now give a single quote over here and write the name of the folder followed by our image file name. Now, in order for it to show up, we need to stop the app first and then run it again. Look at the cute dash appear. You can see that the position of the image ain't perfect. Here I have a challenge for you. You need to bring this image to the center. So pause the video right now and try to figure out the solution. Okay, to do it, we can just right-click on the widget, go to Show Context Actions, and click on Wrap with Center. Let's run it. And the cute dash is exactly in the center. It's a good practice to keep the code organized, so just add a comma over here and reformat the code with Dart FMT. Well, now the background of the scaffold does not look that good, so we definitely should try to change the background color of the app. And there's another challenge for you. Change the background color of the scaffold. Pause the video right now and find the solution. If you're still not sure about how to do it, don't worry. Here I have the solution. So, write background color, then give it a color. For example, the teal one could be a nice choice. And see how it looks. Doesn't look bad, but how about we try yellow? Oh, not that good. How about blue then? Oh no. Let's choose black. Well, now it looks pretty cool, I guess. You can try out different colors to find the best match for your app. Okay, so you can see that there is a debug banner over here. It may be a bit irritating for some people. So what happens here is that whenever you hit run, the application starts running in debug mode, but when you launch your application for production, it's going to be in release mode. So the difference between release mode and debug mode is that we use debug while testing the app. The important thing is that it contains a lot of extra tools for monitoring, while release mode is for production and it does not contain extra monitoring tools. It's very easy, right? So if you want to remove the debug banner, just head over to Material App and you can see there is a property called debug show checked that accepts a bool variable. Now we can simply go ahead and type false and run it. Great! The debug banner is gone. Notice that the app is still running in debug mode, so no need to be confused about this part.